How to hard cook an egg in the pressure cooker. First, start with your pressure cooker. This is an 8-quart model, stovetop model, and you always want to check, of course, that you've got the gauge for how much pressure you want. And you always want to check the seal. Make sure that there are no cracks or tears. This one looks good. I'm heating up the water, going to bring it to a boil, and then once it comes to a boil, I'm going to place the eggs in the basket here into the pressure cooker. Once the water comes to a boil, I'm going to add the eggs. Place the lid on the cooker, line up the lines there. Turn it, put it to pressure number 2, lock it, and it's already starting to build pressure because this indicator is up. So once it starts hissing from the dial here, that's when you start timing. And for hard-boiled eggs, I want them to be cooked for 9 minutes, or hard-cooked eggs, I should say, for 9 minutes. Should start, oh, it's starting now. So we're gonna lower the temperature to about number 4, and then we'll start our timer. Oh, we've already got a timer going. So I'm going to I've set the timer for 9 minutes, and you'll want to make sure that you keep the pressure at a steady hiss, so that way it's at pressure the whole time. So you'll want to adjust the temperature on the stove as needed. Right now we're at number 3. If it gets much quieter, I'm going to pop it up to 4 probably, but yeah, we'll just monitor it. And the nice thing about pressure cooked eggs, pressure hard cooked eggs, is that the shells come right off of them. Like they're the easiest hard cooked eggs to peel. Perfect, actually. I've got it set to number 3, and it's just keeping a nice, even hiss. Okay, so my timer has gone off, so I'm going to turn off the heat. And then I forgot, actually, what I do with my hard-cooked eggs is I bring them over to the sink that I've filled with some ice water. And instead of releasing the pressure quickly, I just set it inside there. And then the pressure... has released automatically. Now it's safe to remove it and open up the pressure cooker. So I'm going to unlock the lid, make sure the pressure gauge is at open. It wouldn't unlock if there were any pressure still in it with this tab up. So it's unlocked, or out of no pressure, it's unlocked. There we go. There are eggs. I'll show you how to peel them in just a second. It's time to peel the eggs. I'm going to be adding them to my potato salad. I've got the potato salad ingredients there, but just kind of tap the egg a couple times. I can probably even do it one-handed. There you go. Have you ever seen an egg peel any more easily? There you go, folks.